Hi everyone, welcome back to Caribbean's Now YouTube channel, and today I'll be speaking about my braces. Yes, first and last I wanna get for looking at my mouth. Now see? Alright, but before I hop into that topic, Mama big up my friend Shanice Davis for having her very first online store. She's a lingerie and it's on Instagram and it's called sexy Tassie underscore heat. It will be found down in the description below, so go over there and check out our business. Males, males, males only can go over there too. Maybe top up on a lingerie for your lady, or get some new handcuff, or get some games and stuff. So everybody does gang up everybody and go over there right now. All right, so I have a little list because I don't really want to miss out on nothing, and I don't want to go off topic too. So the very first thing I want to talk to you about is that when on hear the word braces, just keep in mind that it come with pain. There's a lot of things where I wasn't prepared for when I decided for putting braces in my mouth. So, and the reason why I decided for putting braces is because of my overbite. Not because I was called names, not because I said lad, when I like how my teeth look. It was mainly because of medical reasons. Like example, when you're asleep and your mouth open and stuff. I don't know if someone realize like wanna get thirsty or stuff like that. So doing a research, like um doing a research on why is it important for have good teeth. So yeah, doing a research and come back to me or comment down below. But the main reason for me for doing mine is because I think because me did have buff teeth, my mouth never closed properly, especially when me asleep. So me used to like thirsty often and them something there, and then when I go doctor for check up, them say, having an overbite is not good and we need to get braces and blah blah black sheep. Alright. So secondly, excuse me, and a corona. Secondly, with braces, try to eat soft food, right? Especially when you just put the braces in your mouth, or whenever you go to your orthodontist for tightening your braces, make sure you have soft food like at the tip of your finger, and also stay away from like colored food or colored drinks and them something there. Me can personally say nobody can make porridge better than me. Nobody can make soup better than me, and nobody can make smoothie better than me, because those three were my very, very, very to go meals. Especially when I tighten my teeth and me in pain. You know what I mean? And talking about backtrack to when I say colored food and colored drinks. The reason why I say stay away from it, because remember say like there are some places on your teeth where toothbrush or nothing can reach, right? And if you keep on drinking and eating them colored food there, it just gonna build up on the area where you can brush your teeth, and by the time the braces come off, you're gonna have like a nasty stain on your teeth. You don't want that. So try to avoid them type of stuff there. Nobody not perfect, including myself. If I decide say one day, 1 and 2 days, you're gonna drink your strawberry Fanta or you're gonna eat your curry chicken and them something there, make sure say you brush your teeth really, really good. Talking about brush your teeth, for my toothpaste, I use baking soda. I use a toothpaste will have baking soda in it, and also I use the raw baking soda. So on certain days, I just scrub real good. I scrub like there's no tomorrow, because as I said, there are certain places where the toothbrush can reach, and I just want to make sure say by the time I take out my braces, I'm not the nasty stain, I'm not the build up and all them stuff. Talking about brushing teeth, it's not only brushing if you brush your teeth, and most of us are very, 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 very guilty about this. Very guilty. I was once guilty too, but not anymore, baby love. Always make sure say you floss. This is what me use. Make sure you can see like the bristles right here. This is what help the bristles help use for remove the teeth like in between the iron and then stuff. One more complications. I can say based on talking to other people and for myself, the reason why I never floss that much in the past or floss at all is because it did take time, and being introduced to this thing is just say within 2 minutes you just and you're done, you know. And again, remember say toothbrush can do the job, so toothbrush and plus this, it will get the job done, you know what I mean. And then afterwards you use your what that name, you use your Listerine and goggle, boom 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 boom, and you're done. You have your breaths and everything, your teeth and your tongue well fresh. Nobody can chat to you now. The next thing is, so after I take out my braces, I have like maybe 4 months remaining. After I take out my braces, I'm gonna have a thing called retainers. Is basically for still keep my teeth in place after I remove the braces. So when I just take out the braces, I'm gonna be wearing my retainers for basically every day, in the day and in the night. And then after a period of time, I go just only wear it for the night. For persons that already take out them braces and not wearing your retainers, who not have money. Because if you take out your good braces, right, and you were told to wear retainers and you now wear retainers, remember, your teeth are gonna go back to how it was, and you don't want to spend all of that unnecessary money, right? So for people like me, when I want to waste money like that or have money like that, I gotta make sure I wear my retainers and thing. And after your retainers, if you decide say you want whiten your teeth, you whiten your teeth. If you don't want whiten your teeth, fine. But that's basically the end of the journey when it comes to braces. So that's what I've been through. Like, so I basically trying to say it got hot, and be mindful of the toothpaste we use, and stay away from colored food or colored juice. And after you take out your braces, wear your retainers. So those are my little thing that I want to share with you now. And if you don't want more videos, more chill videos like this, let me know. I realize say not a lot I wanna, but someone I say, you know, bring my husband over here on the channel. Things I don't want here, you know. Things I don't want here. But one of these fine days, I'm gonna bring my husband over and we'll talk the things them and have a blast. So thank you all for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, interact, and you know, let me know what I want. And don't forget to go out to my friends Instagram store, online store, and check out our lingerie and bathings. Until next time, see you guys. Kaboom!